Hi, if your new or existing school has acquired a piece of land and you don't intend to build on it, congratulations. What a wonderful opportunity. I want to support you to make the most of it, to use it as a catalyst to make your whole school regenerative. My name is Veljko Armano Linta. I'm an educator for the ecological, social, economic and worldview dimensions of sustainability and a regenerative architect. So let's see what you can do with your land.
First of all, words are important. They shape our intentions. I invite you not to think of this place as land. Land feels legal, geometric, empty, fit for exploitation. But if you look closely, this place is already full of life. It's a part of the biome. It is habitat. You have the opportunity to co-inhabit it, to re-inhabit the ecosystem to which you belong. I invite you to be the regenerative stewards of this habitat, to make sure it has clean air and water, healthy soil, increasing biodiversity, and thriving ecological succession. You will be rewarded by the ecosystem services provided by the habitat, and you'll enjoy some of them even if you never step into the habitat. The others depend on how you wish to engage with it, and we'll come back to these. One way you can surely engage with the habitat is to take whatever learning process you can out of the classroom and into the habitat. You will still follow your curriculum, be it national or international baccalaureate or some other, but you'll do it in a more real and interesting way, by observing and reflecting on phenomena in the habitat, by doing field and field lab work there, and by project-based learning. This is not just about subjects such as biology, chemistry, or environmental systems and societies. Everything that humanity has ever created socially, economically, and culturally is dependent on ecosystems and embedded in them. Every subject can benefit from the habitat. If its curriculum doesn't reflect that, it's a red flag for the curriculum. The same goes for curricula that are so packed that you don't have time to go out of the classroom. The habitat is an opportunity for interdisciplinary integration through team teaching, through interdisciplinary project-based learning, and through merging curricular and extracurricular activities. In fact, I invite you to rethink, step by step, the entire campus life and operations as a regenerative extracurricular activity, an opportunity to embody and model everything you teach about sustainability and regeneration. Walk the talk. You can gather food and medicine, grow food, make meals out of it, make items of various kinds, compost kitchen waste, compost human waste, purify wastewater, produce energy, spend time outdoors, all thanks to the ecosystem services provided by the habitat. That includes food, materials, psychophysical well-being, opportunities for community building, and for transformation. What will help you stay on the regenerative path when it comes to the way you run your campus, the way you teach and integrate subjects, and the way you merge life and academics? Your own curriculum, with perhaps some inspiration from national core curricula or interdisciplinary curricula on sustainability. I invite you to co-create your regenerative curriculum. Make sure all 4 dimensions of sustainability are integrated within it, and intentionally decide on your pedagogical approach. Base everything on students' intrinsic motivation, collaboration rather than competition, teachers as facilitators, and participation at all levels, and model and embody everything you teach. The creation and tweaking of the curriculum is an opportunity for your students, teachers, and staff to continuously redefine, develop, and unite behind the vision, mission, values, practices, and goals that they have created and that will enable you to be the regenerative stewards of your habitat, the habitat being your reality check. This is a wonderful opportunity to practice empowering methods of co-creation and governance. You may, for example, use sociocratic decision-making based on consent and use double-linked circles for integrating various teams working with the habitat. Such methods are agile, participatory, transparent, and transform structures that are based on rank and power concentration. This is just what we need right now in the world. In fact, I invite you to decide that everything that you do in, for, and with the habitat, from teaching and extracurriculars to the new curriculum and campus operations, gets done through co-creative governance such as sociocracy. It's a safe place to develop and practice something that can eventually spill over and transform your whole school. And indeed, beyond the school, you could start a school cooperative. The experience of working, making, exchanging, selling, and using the earnings for good causes within the school and beyond it are transformational, whether this relates to art, food, handcrafts, etc. The partnerships that the habitat can attract and host are another big opportunity for your students to engage the world in a regenerative way and to practice building communities within the school and beyond it, whether it be through summer schools, volunteers, workshops, researchers coming to your habitat, or various exchanges. And all of this will help you transform your school into a school of regeneration. You will need to create the time and space for your employees to truly participate in this process, and depending on your context, you might need to creatively circumvent any rigidity of national or international curricula or their unhealthy focus on assessment or competition. And if you're an international school, you might boldly decide to abide only by your own curriculum and attract students, employees, sponsors, and universities who care about regeneration. So use the habitat as the propeller for the process of transforming your school into a regenerative school. Use the habitat as a focus of care. Go step by step, transforming the school community, the school operations, and the school curriculum, all of which are interlinked and do need to be infused with your care, just like the ecosystem.
Give your students the opportunity to live regeneration rather than merely study it. Good luck, and let me know if I can help make this happen for you.